My workers were in there cleaning a section of the ductwork, and they, called me and said they had something that was really bad, and I climbed up under the house, and it was just a dead possum. It cut a hole into it, had scratched his way into the return ductwork, and he was dead in there. So we obviously had to remove the ductwork and replace it with a new one.
I had a guy by the name of, he was 4 foot, and we would get him down in the underground returns to clean out all the dead animals and all the sawdust and construction debris from these large custom homes up in Scottsdale, Arizona. I'll never forget his face when he came up. He says, Kevin, get me out, get me out. I'm like, what? He goes, it's a live skunk. The funny thing about it is that there was this live skunk. He seen these eyes looking at him, but he couldn't spray because he couldn't lift his tail. So there actually wasn't a smell in the ductwork that time, but that was probably my funniest time of him down in the underground return ductwork with a live skunk.